Ever wondered why some people seem to have flawless skin and lustrous hair, while you struggle with common skin and hair concerns? It's a question that has crossed many minds. In a world where beauty standards are constantly evolving, maintaining the health of our skin and hair has become more of a necessity than a luxury. Every day we face a myriad of skin and hair issues. From acne to wrinkles, from dry skin to oily hair, the list is long and daunting. And let's not even get started on the endless parade of products that promise to solve these problems, but often leave us disappointed and our wallets emptier. But what if there was a solution that could address these concerns? A product that could help you achieve the skin and hair health you've always desired? A natural, organic and premium grade solution that has been embraced by many for its rejuvenating properties. Enter the essence of Argan. Sourced from the Argan tree in Morocco, this eco-certified and USDA-approved product is not just another addition to the beauty industry, it's a game changer. The answer to your beauty concerns might just be hidden in the essence of Argan. So, what exactly is this essence of Argan, you may ask? Well, it's not just any oil, it's a premium-grade organic oil sourced straight from the heart of Morocco. Yes, you heard right. This wonder oil is extracted from the kernels of the Argan tree, a species native to Morocco, celebrated for its potent healing and beautifying properties. Now let's dive into the details. The essence of Argan is not just organic, it's eco-certified and USDA approved. This means it's produced under strict environmental standards, ensuring its purity and quality. It's an assurance that what you're getting is a product that respects both the environment and your skin. But what about its benefits? The essence of Argan boasts of anti-aging and skin rejuvenating properties. Imagine an oil that can help you turn back the clock, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. An oil that can rejuvenate your skin, giving it a youthful glow. Sounds like something out of a dream, doesn't it? But that's not all. The essence of Argan is non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores. So, if you have acne-prone skin, you can still reap its benefits without worrying about breakouts. So, let's sum it up. The essence of Argan is a premium-grade organic oil sourced from Morocco. It's eco-certified and USDA approved. It has anti-aging and skin rejuvenating properties and is suitable for all skin types, including acne-prone skin. Essence of Argan is not just an oil, it's a miracle of nature, packed in a bottle. Now, you might be wondering, what makes essence of Argan so special? Well, it's packed with benefits that make it a game changer in your beauty routine. At the heart of it, essence of Argan is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. So, even if you have acne-prone skin, you can use it without worry. But that's not all. This organic argan oil is a versatile solution for a range of skin and hair concerns. Are you tired of those fine lines and wrinkles? Essence of Argan, with its anti-aging properties, can help rejuvenate your skin. Dry, frizzy hair giving you trouble? A few drops of essence of Argan can bring back the shine and softness. And it's not just us saying this. We have a community of happy users who've seen the magic of essence of Argan transform their skin and hair. They've shared their experiences, their stories, and their transformations. Customer testimonials bear testament to the efficacy and authenticity of the product. What's more, essence of Argan is sourced from the Argan tree in Morocco, and it's eco-certified and USDA approved. We believe in quality, and these certifications stand as a beacon of our commitment to it. So, when you invest in essence of Argan, you're not just buying a product, you're choosing a solution that's been proven effective by countless users. You're choosing quality that's been certified by reputable agencies. Most importantly, you're investing in your skin and hair health. With essence of Argan, you are not just buying a product, you're investing in your skin and hair health. Ready to experience the miracle of the essence of Argan? It's your time to glow, and it's only a click away. This premium-grade organic argan oil is not just a product, but a solution for various skin and hair concerns. Whether you're looking to buy just one bottle or considering a long-term investment, we've got you covered. Our pricing options include single-bottle purchases for those who want to test the waters and discounted packages with free bonuses for our beauty enthusiasts. And if you're still on the fence, let me reassure you, your satisfaction is our priority, and that's why we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. If the essence of Argan doesn't meet your expectations, you can get your money back, no questions asked. But we believe in the power of our product, and we're confident that you will too. Don't wait for a miracle to happen, make it happen. Click the link in the description and let the essence of Argan redefine your beauty.